Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 15, that is our aims, rights and duties. So in this chapter, we will study about our constitution that states very clearly that people will govern or rule themselves. It means that the people themselves will elect representative and these representatives will then form the government for which they would have to follow rules and regulations. So this form of government is called democracy. So what are our aims? So constitution formed by the Constitution Assembly states that all the people of India will have equal rights. It states that equality is for the people of all the religion and there will be no discrimination of religion or caste by providing job or justice. There will be no difference between rich and poor. Efforts would be made to bridge the gap between them and they would be equal opportunity for all to move forward. इस प्रिंसिपल को क्या बोला जाता है? सोशलिज्म. So the constitution laid down very clearly that justice would be given no matter which religion which follow and everyone is free to follow their own religion. So there we see democracy, socialism, secularism. What are fundamental rights? So constitution was made so that every citizen get to live a better life, that every citizen get its right and all the people are equal before law. और हर एक सिटीजन अपने राइट्स को, अपने व्यूज को एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है. दे हैव राइट टू असेंबल एंड फॉर्म अ एसोसिएशन. The citizen can take up to any profession, he can follow or preach any religion, we can travel anywhere in the country, but no one has a right to exploit others. So the money anyone is paid should not be less than the fixed rate. So apart from this, our constitution has also made sure the fundamental right of the citizen are not exposed. If the fundamental right of anyone is encroached by anyone or even the government, then in this case, the court has given judgment against. So we have fundamental duties. So we must always do our duties in order to enjoy our rights because rights and duties are linked with each other. Like everyone has a right to walk on road, but it's our duty to walk on one side of the road, not on the middle. Because हो सकता है वो दूसरे को hurt करे. So our fundamental duties laid the foundation. We must follow the ideals which laid down the constitution. We must respect our national anthem, our national flag. We must always cooperate with the government and where it is in trouble or in danger. We must treat everyone equally. और हर इंसान को हमें equally treat करना है, public property को protect करना है, इसको destroy नहीं करना है, अपने environment को protect करना है and we must shun violence. So we must always be ready to maintain the unity of the country. और हमें ready रखना है ना कि हम unity of the country को maintain करें. Now directive principle of the state policy. So government must follow certain principles. So they give direction to the government और इनको हम directive principle देते हैं. हमें क्या करना है? Living condition को लोगों की improve करना है. Every citizen must have equal opportunity of education. Children up to 14 years of age should receive free and compulsory education. The condition of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and weaker section must be improved. So our constitution has been framed so as to get enough attention to every aspect of. So this was all in this chapter. Now we are going to do the exercise. So everyone is free to follow any religion. We must always do our duties, right? We must protect our environment. हमें अपने environment को protect करना. Next is fill in the blanks. Our constitution was framed by the dash. All the people of India have equal rights. An Indian can follow and preach any religion. We must always do our duty to enjoy our right. Now write T for true and F for false statement. The Constitution of India states that all the citizens will have equal rights. It's true. The court cannot give any judgment against the government. It's true. We must always respect a national flag. It's true. और directive principle क्या देते हैं? हमें direction देते हैं. It's true. Now answer the following question. Describe the three national goals. तीन national goals बनाने हैं. Sovereign, democratic या secular. Who framed the constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Write down few fundamental, जो हमारी fundamental rights है वो आपको रखना है और दो directive principle रखना है. मतलब हमें लोगों का welfare करना है, right? और education promote करना है to the children up to age of 14. Right? It's our duty. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.